Since the release of Nano Banana 2, there are massive opportunities to make money online that most people don't even know about. Most people don't even realize it because up until now, it's taken a team of people to run these types of businesses. But now with AI combined with other tools, it's possible for one person to automate this entire process and make hundreds of dollars a day using print on demand. My name is Chris Meets. I'm the founder of Anywhere POD, and since 2016, I've helped thousands of merchants scale their print on demand businesses online. And I'm gonna show you the top styles. The number one is the style that I think most people miss and was surprising even to myself. Right now, people are using AI to create simple custom designs, and they are making hundreds and even thousands of dollars a month. This is simple digital style artwork that is sold on actual physical products. For example, this listing that lets you merge photo portraits in the memorial niche, it's been selling like crazy. It's doing 49 sales a month and is only 3 months old, making over $3,000 in revenue every single month. And this one right here is a watercolor painting of a house. It's bringing over $1,600 in revenue and 29 sales every single month. Or this anime one that works perfectly on canvas wall art. It's getting 67 sales a month and is less than 1 year old. And there's one more style that I found that's selling better than any of these, but I'll reveal that when we build that listing. All of these you can completely automate with the method that I'm about to show you, so it's going to be completely hands-off. Now that we know what styles are selling, the next thing you have to do is get your prompt nailed down, because the prompt is what's going to determine if your design looks like just generic AI slop or if it's an actual design that people want to buy. Here's the easiest method that I have found to generate winning prompts every single time. What you're going to do is take a screenshot of the style that you want to replicate and drop it into either ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever your favorite AI tool is. And you're just going to explain to it what you're wanting to do. So I'm going to put into the chat something like, I'm using Nano Banana 2. My customer is going to be able to upload an image, in this case of their house. I want a prompt to generate a similar style of design using their image. Please help me generate a prompt. And most of the time, the prompt that you get back is going to work right out of the gate. If you need to make any adjustments to it, continue using ChatGPT to refine it, telling it what you want to change or what changes you need until you get that prompt that's going to work exactly the way you want it. Now, this next part is where people waste hours and why they're never able to scale. Here's the mistake. Most people think that because Nano Banana is able to generate the images for you, that the hard part is already complete. But that's not true and is exactly why people are getting stuck. Even today, coaches and influencers are still promoting what I call the old way. The old way looks like this. You have to manually create your artwork. Then you have to manually create your listing, manually create all of your mockups, your titles, your descriptions, all of that just to get a listing and a product live that you can start selling. Then to fulfill an order, this is where it really becomes impossible to scale because they're manually processing every single order. You have to get the image from the customer. You have to download that image. You have to go to Nano Banana and you have to convert that image using the prompt that you generated. Then you have to go to another app and you have to upscale that image so it's high enough quality. And then you have to go back and manually upload it to the order. And then finally, you're able to process that order. So you have 3 listings that start to sell well. And in 1 month, they do 200 sales in a month. That's 20 listings every single day that you have to go through that entire manual process for. Even if you have your process down as complete as possible, that's still going to take you about 10 minutes for every order. Per day, that's over 3 hours. That's 3.3 hours per day just fulfilling orders for those 3 listings, let alone if you want to scale further. You can clearly see that's not a system. That's not freedom. That's just another job. However, if you do it the new way that I'm about to show you, that 3-hour daily grind process turns into literally just minutes a day. This new way integrates the power of Nano Banana with the automation of Anywhere POD. Nano Banana handles the design. Anywhere POD is the system that handles not only creating your listings, but also automatically fulfilling your orders so you can run this business as hands-free as possible. In order to sell this type of design as hands-free as possible, we need to get this design onto a product that we can sell while we sleep. At the beginning, I said there was one more style that's blowing up right now that I would show you when we start building, and here it is. The pet niche always does well because it has a strong emotional pull. Watercolor paintings are a classic look and aesthetic that people seek out. What's crazy is this listing right here has sold almost 500 times in just 2 months and is making almost $10,000 a month just on one listing. And with all of these examples, keep in mind, we're recording this at the beginning of March. So this is during February, which is one of the slower seasons for these types of products. So you can expect even more during busier times of the year. So for today's demo, we're going to create something similar to this pet mug. Now you might be wondering, how do we take this cool AI style design that we've created and put it onto a product that somebody can actually purchase? Right now, it's just a digital file. But since our goal is to run this as hands-off as possible, we need a fulfillment process that's going to handle the print, the packaging, the fulfillment, the shipping, the tracking, all for us completely hands-free. And that's where print on demand comes in. If you haven't heard of print on demand before, it's a model that allows you to take designs like the AI designs that we have here, put them on a variety of products, and be able to sell those and have the actual print provider handle the printing and the packaging and the fulfillment for you. You don't hold inventory, you never touch the product, and you never have to handle a single shipping box. Anywhere POD connects you to a handful of print providers, so you're able to select the one that's right for you and be able to use the style of Nano banana designs across any of the thousands of products that we have in our product catalog. So to create our product, our first step is going to be to log in to Anywhere POD. You can see I'm already connected to Gemini, which gives me access to the Nano Banana models directly without any additional fees. And I'm also already connected to the print providers that I'm going to use. Today, we're going to build our design on a coffee mug, but you can easily take the same concept and the same design and sell it on a variety of other products. Really, the sky's the limit. This exact design can do really well, and I've seen other great examples of this on Christmas ornaments, on tumblers, on journals. Really, the sky's the limit. And once you find a winning design that works well for you and you know how to set it up, it's really easy to take that design and scale it across the board to other additional winning products. So now we're going to select our coffee mug and we're going to start building our product with our prompt that we created earlier so we can start listing this product. So here, we're just going to start with uploading an example image of somebody's dog that we can utilize as a placeholder, like as though our customer is uploading the image. Now, all we need to do is come down here and paste in the prompt that we generated earlier. Now, as I said, I went ahead and created this prompt earlier. If it's a little hard for you to see the whole prompt, don't worry, down in the description below, underneath the subscribe button, I've linked a PDF that contains this prompt along with several other prompts that are selling well that you can utilize to get started right away. You can grab those completely for free down below. Now, once we click generate, we can see an example of the image that's going to get generated similar to what our customers are going to see. So if we want to add any text to our design or make any adjustments to our prompt, we can do that here. And now when we create product, this is going to generate any mockups that are available, both from our print provider and also if we have any mockups of our own that we want to utilize, we can do that here and automate that process in Anywhere POD. So it's another manual step that we never have to worry about creating. Now we want to update our title tags and descriptions so it's easy for our customers to find us. The easiest way to do that is to use the AI tools that are built in again to Anywhere POD to automatically generate those title tags and descriptions for you. Now we have the design, the product, and the fulfillment handled. Now all we need is a way for our customers to find and purchase our products. If you're a beginner, the platform I like to recommend is Etsy because they're going to handle driving traffic to you and you're not going to have to spend additional money on ads to drive traffic to your store. However, if you're already selling on Shopify or Everbee Store, you can use the same process in Anywhere POD to publish this product to any of those platforms as well. So now everything is set up. You click publish and your product is live, ready to start getting orders right away. But there's still one big question we haven't answered. What happens when someone clicks buy and actually orders your product? So here's our example listing in Etsy. You can see we have listed here under our personalization instructions for the customer to be able to upload their own image and see exactly what their product's going to look like before they purchase. And in real time, just after a couple of seconds, Nano Banana is going to go to work and is going to apply the prompt that you created and generate that image immediately for the customer to see so they know what it's going to look like on the product that you've created. And now when the customer finishes personalizing, all they have to do is come back to Etsy and complete their purchase there. Now, when this order comes into Anywhere POD, it's going to take the exact image that they saw that was generated. It's going to upscale it if that is set, and it's going to completely automate the fulfillment process for you, cutting out all that additional time that you normally have to spend on every single order. Like I said earlier, if you're interested in giving this a try and getting a head start in creating these AI designs and prompts, I've put together a list of all of the top selling styles and the associated prompts with them down in a PDF in the description down below that you can get started with completely for free. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time.